Jim Tech Buzz back with your video. And recently would have seen on the channel we've done the indoor or the outdoor cam wireless, and we've done the Nest hub bell, or the Nest bell should we say. So we've got the rest in. So we've got the indoor word 2nd gen camera here, and we have got the Nest cam with floodlight, which is pretty big. So first of all, we're going to check out the indoor word bell, or camera should I say, and see what that's all about. So you've got 1080p HD with night vision HDR, receive phone alerts, HD talk and listen, easy setup, and protects your privacy with 2-step video encryption verification. So that's pretty much it there. It'll just tell us what's inside the box. So that's it there. Pretty standard affair packing with Google. So the other one that we have is wired or wireless, and it's much bigger than this. It's probably twice the size as this, but you can use it both indoors and outdoors. So this is the wired option here, and it does sit on there like that. Whereas the other one you probably would have seen has a little small base and you can magnetically stick up on top. So this comes with a long cable as well, which is cool. And that's it there. It's a pretty decent lengthy cable as well. And the Google cables, any of their products normally come out pretty good as well. So that's that there. Just peel this off quickly. So that's what it looks like there. So the setup is pretty simple. You'll scan the barcode and follow the motions. You also get some fixtures should you need them. And of course you will get the plug with Google logo. It's got a kind of nice soft finish to it as well, which is really nice. So you'll just simply insert here, plug it into wherever you're going to pop it, and away you go. So you can either fix this on the wall, you can fix it sit it on a counter or anything like that, up to yourself. It's flexible. And then again, as I said, you have the extra long cable there to make life easy to where you want to place the item, which is cool. So there's no problems there when it comes to being flexible, be it fixed or if you want to move it around, you've got options. So that's the main thing. So that's that. This boy is big. So this is the Nest cam with floodlight. So 1080p again, HD vision, phone alerts, motion activated lights, and HD talk system. That's what it's going to look like there. And checking on home 24/7. So let's break this beast open. So far, for those wondering, I have the doorbell and the outdoor cam been working really well, I have to say. And pretty impressed with them. I'm happy with them because, as I said, I was going to replace the whole house with the Google setup. And now that setup is complete with this. So look forward to having the whole system up and running together, because I've had an old system for the last 2 years or so, and now the whole house is done with this here, which is cool. So let's check this out. Wow. So that's what you get there. So this is the camera that we'll have already, as I mentioned earlier on. And just to give you a quick comparison. So that's the inside one there, and this is the one that we have up outside already. So that'll just give you an idea of the size. And again, you see our charging point there, your speaker, and you have a mount there as well. So I'm just going to pop that over there. And here is the rest of it here. So these will flash and light up here. You've got a Google logo in the middle. You have got a connection here and another one here. All weather, wall mount only, IP65, suitable for wet locations. And that's it there. And these obviously can move around as well, like so. They're not fixed, so it gives you a bit more flexibility as well, which is really cool. So what else do we get in here? Alright. Doesn't appear to be in there, but we'll check it out anyway, because sometimes things to be hiding. So here we have a mount, which we presume will go on like that, but we'll have to check that out. Your cable will come through there, and this locks into place, so that's okay. So also there you can also see a sensor underneath here as well, which is cool. So that's what it's looking like there in the flesh. And then we'll mount on this with the magnet here, and that'll be it, all set up like that. So a large unit, and in here is the box of screws. So you've got a Allen key, another kind of key here, you've got some fuses here, and you've also got your fixtures here. So you've got everything there, and some screws there as well. So everything is in the box as you would expect. And we'll hang on to that one there. And then we will go and get it set up and see what it's all about. So I think that's it. So you just have your guide here, and there's nothing underneath there or in there. So this is the user manual here, and you will just set it up like so. And we'll be back when we have it mounted up, set up and running, and we'll come back to you and show you what the footage is like from both cameras and so on. And let you see then what the entire house system will look like completed. And that'll be pretty much it for now. So that's it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. We'll see you then.